my name is John Watson and this is iTechNews. If you are new here, grand welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell gizmo so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's begin. So these are the Hi-Fi i7 Mini 5.0 Bluetooth headphones. Okay, so before we begin, I would like to tell you that these headphones are not coming with the price tags of hundreds of dollars, but in fact these are coming with the price tag of just a cup of coffee. Yeah, that's right. They are coming with less than $3. And what is inside these, what specialty and what they can offer you with a $3 of price tag, let's find it out. So let's open the box and check it out. What's inside this? Okay, here we go. So we have documentation. Let's put it aside and we have, these are Hi-Fi i7 Mini 5.0 Bluetooth headphones. Okay, so they look a little bit like, no, not a little bit, they look completely like Apple's Airpods. Let's put them aside. What else do we have in the box? We have more documentation and okay, USB-A to micro USB cable and nothing else. Okay, so these are the wireless headphones. $3 wireless headphones. That's insane. Model number is i7 Mini. The playing time is 2 to 3 hours and the charging time is 1 to 2 hours. And the standby time is 100 hours. Okay, it works with iOS as well as the Android, and I will see the performance. I will check it out and I will tell you about it in my full review, that how it performs and how much you can rely on this company. Oh, as far as the sound quality is concerned, that's also really good. Right now so many companies, they are providing you the wireless headphones with over 50 or 60, maybe, if that's Apple, it will cost you more than $200. But these headphones, they only cost you just under $3 and you can buy them right. When I look at the price of these wireless headphones, I'm thinking that if company is honest with you, they can provide you a very good product at a very reasonable price. $3 is not a big deal, but whatever you are getting for $3, that's really insane. Wireless headphones just under $3. I don't have to speak, these headphones speaks for themselves. No mock-ups, nothing. Even though they look like Apple's Airpods, but whatever they're providing you for just $3, that's insane. And I think that these are the perfect clones for the Apple's Airpods. No matter you agree or not, but they have done a brilliant job. Okay, stay tuned for the full review of these headphones. I will update you and I will use them personally and I will see that how they go ahead along with the time, and are they reliable headphones, or you can invest your money into these. I will tell you in my full review, so stay tuned for that. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. It depends on you, and I will see you soon. Let me try these first.